Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing for Chaos Head. Not really new, but it also came with K-On! And I decided to do these in separate videos so I can show you guys with spare time the details and everything. And it won't be too long. Get this out. That out of the way, and here we have it. Here is Chaos Head, spine, oh, I guess that's the spine. Oh, where did I grab my knife? Okay, I think I got a small little nip in here. Alright, screw it. There we go, I know I got it that time. There's that. It's still good. And this is what is inside. As usual, Funimation, the we want to film me out thing. What is this? Okay, this is the DVDs. This is the DVD case. Yep, just said that. Front, back. What's inside? This is a little thing that goes like right there. For some reason it came off. Whatever. Here's a DVD disc. There's two of them. And this is the back art. Okay. Put that aside. And here's the Blu-ray case. The back. And here's a Blu-ray disc. Then let me take out the back cover art and I'll show you that. And this is the back. Okay, there's that. Just give me one moment to try and put these back in. Alright, we have one down. Put the DVDs back in. And then I guess I'll talk a little bit about my background with this. Gotta make sure all these are in correctly, or else it's gonna damage the cover. Okay, there's all that. Put it back in. And that is Chaos Head for you. Where's the back too? Without the little wrapper on it. From what I've heard, this isn't that great, but it's related to, let's see, it is related to this anime, Steins Gate. I can't tell if it's like a prequel or sequel or if it's just like in the same universe, but I really love Steins Gate, so I'm gonna watch this if it has some kind of relation. I guess I'll go into it without expecting too much, so I won't be disappointed, but if I don't expect too much, I might be amazed. Who knows, but it's 12 episodes long, I think, so should power through this in a day whenever I find some time. As always, this is just another unboxing. I have 2 more, and as usual, I'll do them in separate videos, so I have plenty of time to show everybody and talk a little bit without it getting like past 10 or 15 minutes. But as always, if you guys have enjoyed my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.